Hello, everybody. Welcome back to this Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing one of my. So, just like the one I've made before, if you've watched it already, I made a project that included um a thing called an MYO and the Adventures of Crystal latest episode. So, anyways, let's get started with today's topic. So, today we are going to review a project that's related to Easter. So, recently, a few days ago, I decided to make a project related to Easter since it's really popular. It's a popular special day. So, I made a project. I made a clicker game. So if you don't know what a clicker game is, a clicker game is when you click on a random thing multiple times to get points, and then you can use those points to buy stuff. So that's basically the main thing. So this time I decided to make it a cat collector. So once you have a certain amount of points, you can use those points to get a cat, and there are different rarities for the cats. So let me explain how to play this game. All right, so first let's keep on clicking until we get to 50 points. I'm going to speed this up. I'm just going to say set the variable. I'm going to set the variable to 50 so that we don't have to do anything. We don't have to so that we don't have to waste our time clicking too much. So anyways, now it is set to 50 and we can now go to the shop. All right, so boosters and more. Hatch the egg, which is 50 points. Can use 50 points, so we have to click on this in order to be able to go there. So the thing is, I haven't added anything else yet, but I'm planning to since I was really busy and I had to finish this quick because I was busy and I needed to do something else at that time. It was like near the nighttime. So I started working on this at the end of Easter time, which yeah, it might disappoint you, but I tried my best. So now let's go ahead and click this egg so that we can see which one will hatch. All right, are you excited to see what we'll get? Let's go ahead and see. All right, I'm going to click this. It has some volume, so I'm just increasing the volume. All right, it's time to click on this. It's cracking. Oh my God, we got a legendary cat. It's Clover. Clover is one of my characters that's related to St. Patrick's Day. I know it's weird. It's on an Easter one, but I decided Clover will stay for spring too because she's gonna be in a package thingy where you can use your gems to buy a free cat thing. So she's not gonna be a legendary cat in the game, but she's gonna be an epic. Yeah. So no, actually she's gonna be a super epic, yeah. Anyways, so you can get different cats. There's a lot of cats that you can get. So we're gonna be trying to get all the cats, even if some are common and stuff. So let's see. Let's see if we can find some. So the cats that you can get and the rarities is this is the chick cat. It's common. This is the rabbit cat. It's also common. So it says on the bottom of each character. This is chocolate egg cat, and it's a common chocolate egg. I mean, I couldn't think of anything else. Anyways, cross cat, because like God and stuff. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Anyways, rare. It's a rare. Mhm. And then the epic is God cat. Oops, I forgot to shade that in. I forgot to shade that in. I'm going to shade that in right now. All right. Now let's go ahead and continue seeing all the costumes. So we have God cat, we have Baby cat, which is another not handy because you can find candy and ice. I mean, I hope you don't get too much of a clash with Halloween and stuff because it's not Halloween. Don't mistake it. And then we have Clover Cat, which we just got. So let's save this project and go back to the project page. So let's see if we can get any of the cats. First, let's try to get Chick Cat. So I am going to make the points 50 again, and we will see what we get this time. Go to shop, hatch the egg. Oh, we got Candy Cat. That's an epic. We got an epic. Yeah, we got an epic. All right, let's see. So we had got Candy Cat and Clover Cat. We have a few more cats to go. All right, it's time to go back to the main page and set it up. Now let's go back to the shop and see what. Oh no, we got a duplicate. It's Clover Cat again. Wait, how is she a legendary then? If she's so common to get. Dun dun dun! Yeah, I had no idea how. Anyways, let's try this again. So let's see if we can get any of the common cats or the rare cats. Or the one more epic cat, which is the god cat. Which one we can get? Ah, we got a cross cat, which is rare. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, let's try again. I might have to do a few adjustments. Let's go to shop. What? All right. I'm going to have to change that. I'm going to thing where it says you don't have enough because we already have enough. But I was in a hurry. Anyways, let's see who we get this time. Why? 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 Why is Clover Cat so common? Like how is she so common? She's a legendary and she's supposed to be legendary. Like seriously, isn't that a big thing? All right, anyways, let's try again. Let's try not to get Clover because I might have to make her an epic, but she's special to me. So anyways, let's hatch this egg. Oh, hooray! We got Chick Cat. We got Chick Cat. Yay! We got a common, but you know what? We got Chick Cat. All right, now let's try to. So let's see. We have So we have Chick Cat. We have. We have. We need to get cat, God Cat, and Rabbit Cat. All right. So let's see if we can get them. Oh no, we got another duplicate. It's but that was pretty good because common's supposed to be common. Supposed to come common. All right, let's start again. Let's again. Let's see if we can get. Uh, oh, I see. Now it has finally understood. Now this search game has finally understood what the rarity is the most common. This is not a word, but I don't know what word to use. Anyways, let's try it. See if we can. Oh wait, the game did not understand. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Please get me any of the other packs. Okay, it has something to Kit Kat, but Clover Cat is not. It is not a comic book. Again, let's see if we can. Um, no, I don't want okay, I'm joining in with rabbit cat. No, the trick didn't work. No, the trick didn't work. Shit, cat. What a bummer. Ah, we got rabbit cat. Hooray. Yes, we got rabbit cat. All right. Rabbit cat is so cute. I'm just thinking this now. All right. Now the only one we need to get is chocolate cat. What? What's candy cat? Candy cat? I don't need you, candy cat. I need chocolate egg cat. All right. Let's see. Not chick cat, not chick cat, not chick cat, not chocolate egg cat. Yes, we got chocolate egg cat. Oh my god, we got all the cats. Oh my god, this is exciting. This is exciting. We got all of the cats. Got all of the cats and some duplicates. Well, I'm okay with that because at least we got all the cats. Yeah, yeah, we got all the cats. And that is a good thing. So please do not go inside the project and do the point, set it to 50, and then you can go and randomly keep on trying to collect because yeah, that's basically copying. Anyways, I think this project was pretty long. I mean, this video was pretty long because it took a long time to like get all of the cats and stuff. Wait, hey, why did no one say anything? I worked hard on it. I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. Okay, okay, I can deal with this. Wait, wait a second. This was made one day late, like I said, but April Fool's Day. Dun 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 dun. But yeah, I just remembered that I also made an April Fool's project. which I will be reviewing in the next video. So what? Okay, yeah, that's there. All right, so let me check how many projects are there. So I might do a celebration on Scratch. Oh, 249 to 250 projects. Oh my God. What if I reach 250 projects and I'm like, oh, yeah, I might do a celebration for that. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video and oh, ooh. I also wanted to show someone's beautiful art because they drew my character. It's spicy. My main character, I mean, on this profile. All right, so I already saw this, but I wanted to show you guys. The art is so beautiful. It's so pretty and oh, I did not notice that. That's a hoof. That's a hoof. Wait, is that a hoof? Hey, if whoever made this, can you let me know? Because I am curious. Anyways, what app did you use? This is so cool and cute. It looks like a box. And then I said, oh, the art's so cute. I love it. Let me check if there's any projects that I can grab from Explore and then see that. Oh, warrior cats. Okay. Red. Oh, it's a new platformer. Sprouting. Sprouting, that looks interesting. By the thumbnail. I mean, you can't judge a book by its cover, but I'm sorry. Ooh, what's that? Okay. These are all pretty interesting. Ooh, scratch shot. That looks so interesting. The scientist. Whoa. Minecraft platformer. Oh, Minecraft. No, Minecraft. What I am imagining how it is and how it's gonna be right now, but I'm not sure if it's good. I was thinking it's just like a normal platformer. Oh, I thought this was by Grip Patch. Maybe it was remixed by from Grip Patch. Okay, all right, now I was thinking, oh, this cute little bunny. It's so cute. Oh my God, these projects are so interesting. No wonder they're featured. Anyways, I am glad you liked this project. Without you guys, I wouldn't have had the ability to make this channel and these projects and these videos featuring the projects. So anyways, I'll try hard. I'll try hard to find time to make even more projects that I can share with you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and more, blah, 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 whatever else. Yeah. I don't really know what else to say now other than bye. Oh, yeah. And remember I talked about my game? Well, it's going good, but I still not found time. I decided to take a break from it because I'm focusing on way too many things right now. Other projects, another series, two series, yeah, series. Searched it up. It's just series, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching this video once again, and thank you for listening to what I have to say. All right, so bye.